Now that we know what those categories look like, let's return to how to set up our first draft issue. So we do this by going to the Issues dropdown, clicking All Draft Issues. And so far we have 0 draft issues because we haven't started making a draft. So we click New Issue. Then we click on Issue 1 here. As you can see, I've already gathered some articles for this issue. And when I save them, they end up in this sidebar here, where I can decide if I want to import them all or import them individually. I'll go ahead and click Import All. So this is the issue title. The default is issue number, whatever issue you're on, but that can be changed in the settings. And you can also edit. You can change the issue title, you can change issue summary, and it'll tell you what day it's due on as well. Here is where you can add a new link or a new text item inside the issue draft. So for a new link, if you click that, it'll pull open this box where you can enter the title of the article that you're going to save, as well as the URL. You can also enter the body text, which can be your own thoughts or comments, or anything that you want to include there. You can include which category you want, which we'll set up in another video. And you can also say who it's been curated by. Say if you have another person on your team that's also working on the newsletter with you. And you can also add an image here, which is easy as choosing an image from your computer or just dragging and dropping there. You can also add a new text item, like I did here with the intro. So adding a new text item, very similar to adding an article link, but just with no link. So you enter your title and your body text, and then whatever footer you would like to have. That could be the name of your newsletter, that could be the name of the curator, whichever you want. I've already saved some articles here, but when you're collecting articles, you can save them using the Google Chrome extension, and they will pop up here. Now, once you've done that, you can go preview or schedule the issue. When you preview the issue, you have the option to preview it on the web or preview through email. And when you're scheduling the issue, you simply click Schedule Issue, and you schedule for whatever day you would like and whatever time you would like. So I'll take this article, I'll hit the Edit button, and let's drop it in a category. We'll drop this into Election. I went ahead and put some other articles in the different categories that we created, as you can see here, and filled it with some placeholder text. Let's add some images to really fill out our newsletter. So I went through these articles and added images associated with them by going to the Edit button and then dragging and dropping an image into the space that was here. You can also control the aspect ratio of the images that you import. You can choose from 29, square, or original aspect ratio. So we'll save that and we'll preview this issue. As you can see, they're automatically placed on top of the article here, spaced out very nicely, and fills out according to that image aspect ratio that we said earlier. You can also rearrange the categories if, say, you'd want electronics to appear above science. And just like that, when we go to our draft issue, you can scroll down and see that electronics now appears above science. And if we had multiple articles inside one category, we would just use that reorder tool to reorder those as well.